Hello guys, and welcome to today's short video in which we'll go through on how to download the MT5 to your Windows PC and sign into the MT5 platform for the first time. So once you're in your FTMO and the client area, just go to the download section here, and we want to try it on the MT5 platform. And as we're on the Windows PC, let's just click on that, and the setup is going to be downloaded automatically. So let's open it up. And in this case, it's a simple installation. So let's just hit on yes, go to next, and now we wait until the platform is installed. All right, so the installation is finished. So let's click on that. Now this is the MetaQuotes website. We can close that for now. And this is your MetaTrader 5 platform. So to sign into your server for the first time, so what you want to do, you want to go to File, and here click on Open an Account. Now you should already see Oanda Corporation here. If you don't see it for some reason, just type in Oanda here, go on Find Your Company, and it's gonna pop up. So since we have it here, let's just click on Next. All right, and once you get to this window, you wanna go to Connect with an existing trade account. And this is where we're gonna put our login credentials from the FTMO Oanda client area. All right, so the login credentials are in. Make sure to put in the master password because the read-only password is not gonna let you trade. And also make sure to select the correct server. So in our case, it's Oanda Demo 1. Now, let's just hit on Finish, and congrats, you're logged into your MT5 for the first time.